Today on Designing Spaces, we'll travel to Chico, California to meet with the Kobz family, who are on a mission to remodel everything in their kitchen, from appliances and hardware to backsplash and flooring. And all this with the help of home improvement experts using Build.com, an online-only retailer.
My name is Chris.
And I'm Megan.
We've been married 16 years and we have a boy and 2 little girls. We just recently bought this house. It was apparent that it had been remodeled probably 20 years ago.
The kitchen was the biggest challenge of the entire house. We loved everything about this house, but the kitchen really needs some work.
It wasn't a space that you came into and were excited about having people over or making meals for the kids every day, so it definitely needed something.
So we're really excited. We were referred to a local interior designer by a good friend. Her name is Lauren. She's actually coming over to talk with us about all the updates and the changes on a direction that we're gonna take with the kitchen. Hi, Lauren.
Hi.
How are you?
Come on in.
It's nice to meet you guys.
You as well.
Well, so like in a kitchen like this one, I did like a really big island, and I think maybe something like that would make it just an extension of this big open floor plan.
I love that idea.
This kitchen here, it really has a lot of white, and I think because, like you mentioned, it's a really dark room, it's also a smaller space with lower ceilings. So keeping it bright for like the most part will make it feel bigger and more open at the same time.
I love that idea.
So I just met with the family and they're so adorable, and after tomorrow I'll have a really great idea of what we can do and what changes we can make to really brighten it up and give them the change that they're looking for their new house. I think I got like all the information that I need, so I'll probably just come back tomorrow and I'll just walk through the space, take some measurements, and start creating a plan so we can start moving forward.
Great. Thank you so much, Lauren.
Sounds
I'm
good.
excited.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
So the first thing we wanted to address was the functionality of the space. And it's really important that you're able to work around and have a great working triangle. So we're not really gonna be changing the footprint necessarily, but we're gonna be making some shifts to make it a more functional space. We're gonna update all of our light fixtures and all of our products that you see, like the faucets and the sink, and give it a completely fresh new look.
Lauren sounds like she has a pretty solid game plan for the layout of the Kobz new kitchen. Let the demolition begin. With just 1 week left until the reveal, Lauren needs to meet with Eric to make sure the project is running smoothly and on schedule.
So how's everything going?
Everything's good. The appliances are on schedule to arrive.
Okay, and then we've got our floors in. They look so good. I noticed we had one little area that wasn't complete.
And a couple reasons. One is we just underestimated, and secondly, we had a lot of waste with these big 7-foot pieces. So we called Build.com. They've got a couple more boxes on the way. We will be done in time. No concern there. Yeah, but...
Okay, great. So those are gonna be here. We'll be able to finish on time and get everything done.
Certainly.
Now that Lauren has a clear idea of the space that she's working with and all of the products that she'll need to bring her vision to life, she's going to meet with the Kobz to go over some of the final touches that she'll be adding to complete the new look.
So first, let's just start with lighting. We're gonna add some pendant lighting above the sink, and then we're gonna have 2 pendants right here over the island, all from Build.com. So each one of them have just like a little bit of brass. And I didn't want to bring in too much brass, so it's just gonna be some little effects in the lighting and then our hardware. Isn't that fun?
Yes.
Yeah. What do you think, Chris?
I like it.
So it's the big reveal day, and our homeowners are gonna be here in about an hour or 2. So we've got our appliances, we've got some decor, and some plumbing fixtures and lighting going in, all from Build.com. And yeah, how's it all coming along?
It's coming together great. So we had a couple questions for the project experts at Build.com. They were helpful, they got us the information we need, and we're about to install it.
Okay, well, let's get to it.
Let's do it.
So I just got a text that the family is on their way. I just finished all of the finishing touches, and I'm so excited for them to finally get to see it after 5 long weeks of this big remodel. Are you ready to see your new kitchen?
Yes.
Let's go.
Whoa!
Oh my goodness, look at this. Wow. We love it. It's amazing.
You know, being surprised and being outside the box makes it so much more exciting. The beverage center and the bar is absolutely hands down my favorite.
I'm so happy with the way the project turned out and how much they love their new kitchen, and I'm just so excited for their fresh start in their new home.
Ready to update or renovate your home? Go to build.com to shop a large selection of home improvement products or talk to an expert.